Are you thinking about making a move to Northeast Florida and wondering what to expect with our local real estate market in 2023? Will it be a good time to make a move? In today's video, I'll tell you what we're experiencing right now and what my predictions are going into next year. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, my name is Andrea Delancy. I've been a realtor in Jacksonville, Florida for over 18 years and a resident here for over 30 years. I'm here to help you elevate your home and lifestyle. Be sure to check out some of my other videos, including neighborhood tours and what it's like living in Northeast Florida. And do me a favor, if you find any value here, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. It helps my videos get out to other people like you. Okay, so let's get right into it. If you've been thinking about relocating for a while now and you've been following the market here in Florida, you know last year was pretty crazy and it may have caused you to hold off on your plans. But the good news is, with the recent shifts we've seen here, 2023 could be a great time to make your move. Here are my top predictions for what to expect in the local real estate market going into the new year. Of course, the biggest concern right now as a buyer is interest rates. Yes, they have gone up in the last 8 months, and it is affecting affordability. But keep in mind, it's all about perspective. Historically, rates are still lower than the average over the last 30 years. And although you may have to reevaluate your needs and your price point, the benefits of moving and improving your lifestyle could still far outweigh the impact of the higher rate. I would just encourage you to explore all your options with financing and look at your specific situation rather than buying into all the hype out there in the media. It may not be a good time for everyone to make a move, but is it a good time for you? Over the last 6 to 8 months, we've seen some major shifts in the market in a short period of time. We went from a very limited inventory of homes to choose from in 2021, which created a frenzy of bidding wars, with buyers being willing to forego inspections and pay well over asking price to win, to now having many more homes available to choose from. Looking at some of the data in March of this year, we had less than 2,300 homes on the market. And now in November 2022, that number has tripled, and we're averaging about 7,000 homes currently available. That's great news for buyers. It not only means more options when it comes to finding your next home, it also means you can take a little more time to explore them. Instead of rushing out to see a property within hours of it hitting the market and being prepared to make an offer immediately, you can relax a little bit, schedule showings at your convenience, and take the time to look at and compare multiple properties and not feel quite as pressured to make an offer immediately. I will say though, if a home is priced competitively for the current market conditions and it's in great condition, we are still seeing homes sell in as little as a few days to a couple of weeks. So you can't necessarily sit on it forever. It's just a big improvement from what we were seeing last year. My prediction going into 2023 is that we'll see the average number of available homes continue to increase next year, again, leading to more favorable conditions for homebuyers. As a seller, it's going to be more important than ever to make sure your home is in top condition before it goes on the market. Make that investment up front to do some improvements so it's more appealing and a good value to buyers, because they are out there comparing your home to others now. It's also important to make sure you've updated the major systems. Homes with older roofs or AC systems are sitting on the market longer and are a major concern to buyers right now, as are any other anticipated repair items. Most importantly, you have to be willing to price your home competitively based on the current market conditions. Make sure you're looking at the most recent sales in your area, and you should also anticipate some negotiations on price and terms. And you can definitely expect longer days on the market. Speaking of prices, we've already seen them coming down in most areas. The problem is, in a lot of cases, sellers are working with outdated information and are not being realistic. So they're still pricing too high and having to come down over time. It's all about supply and demand. The higher interest rates have caused a sharp decrease in demand, and that, coupled with the increase in supply of homes, it's forcing prices down. We've already seen prices come down as much as 5% in some areas, and I think this trend will continue as we go into 2023. I don't think we'll experience as much of a decrease as some other areas of the country because there are still a lot of people moving to Florida for a variety of reasons, and our local economy has remained strong. For home buyers, these conditions are creating more and more opportunities to negotiate on price and terms. On average, I'm already seeing concessions of about 3 to 5%, which can include coming off the purchase price, seller credits toward buyer closing costs, or even buying down the interest rate. And this is especially true with new construction homes. Our local builders are offering some crazy incentives right now. So it's starting to make sense again to look at new construction versus resales. So I predict they will continue to offer homebuyers added incentives with pricing and special financing terms in 2023. And sellers of resale homes will also have to be more willing to negotiate. So there you have it, guys. If you're considering making a move in the next 6 to 12 months, I'd love to help you with the process. Let's have a conversation about the best way to move forward and what you can expect for your specific situation. Reach out to me anytime. Thanks for watching today. I'll see you next time.